The images in this video are all real photographs taken by NASA's Curiosity rover. In this video we will climb a Martian mountain. So sit back, relax and imagine what it might be like to set foot on Mars, courtesy of the Curiosity rover. The places that NASA has explored have all been given names which you will see on screen in the bottom left corner. Landing in 2012, the mission was only supposed to last for 2 years, yet due to the great success of the rover it was extended indefinitely. At the start of 2020, the Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars for almost 8 years. Pictures are regularly beamed back to Earth for scientists to study. This image shows the effects of roaming Mars for 8 years. Covered in Martian dust, but still determined to carry on. After a risky flight, Curiosity safely lands in the Gale crater, an ancient impact site thought to have been filled with water and sediment in the past. Over time, the strong winds have carved away the sediment and left a 3-mile-high mountain known as Mount Sharp. NASA now has a big challenge to find a way to get Curiosity up the mountain. Using data from orbiting spacecraft and combining it with pictures from Curiosity, the team puts together a 3D map of the terrain. Each path up Mount Sharp is risky, but scientists finally agree on a route. This path will take Curiosity past some sites of interest on its way up. First stop, Yellowknife Bay. The area here looks to be made up of sedimentary deposits. The science team concludes that this crater was once home to a large amount of water. This is Curiosity's first major finding. Curiosity now turns its focus towards Mount Sharp, beginning its 2-year-long journey towards the Pahrump Hills at the mountain's base. Passing a site named the Kimberley Formation, Curiosity stops to take some pictures. Again, the sediments found here confirm the crater was once a watery place. Curiosity also passed a site named Garden City, an outcrop with huge mineral veins winding across the surface. Curiosity studied these veins, sending valuable data back to Earth for geologists to scrutinize. Curiosity stops to take a picture of the Martian sunset, which is actually blue on Mars, unlike the red sunsets we see here on Earth. Scientists believe this is due to the fine particles in Mars' atmosphere which permit more blue light than here on Earth. This image, of what is known as whale rock, shows an example of crossbedding that results from water passing over a loose bed of sediment. As Curiosity says goodbye to the Pahrump Hills, it heads towards one of the most interesting regions so far, the Bagnall Dunes. This dune, named Namib Dune, stands at about 13 feet. The Bagnall Dunes were the first dunes ever to be examined up close on another world. NASA took great care when crossing the dunes as to avoid the fate of another previous rover, Spirit, which became trapped in a sand dune during its journey. The chosen path up Mount Sharp will take Curiosity out of the Bagnall Dunes, crossing through the Knockluft Plateau into a territory called Murray Buttes before traversing back into the Bagnall Dunes. Knockluft Plateau, the entrance to Murray Buttes, is marked by 2 tall sediment structures, which Curiosity will have to pass through. This image was also taken on the 4th anniversary of Curiosity's landing, or its 4th birthday. The team at NASA had Curiosity sing happy birthday to itself. Curiosity studied these structures up close while passing. This one, named the Stimson Formation, is an ancient remnant of eroded sandstone that originated when winds deposited sands after lower Mount Sharp had formed. This layering within the sandstone is called crossbedding and indicates that the sandstone was deposited by wind as sand dunes migrated.